Linking your bank account to Dropbox can help you manage payments for services like Dropbox Business or other transactions. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Billing or Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment Methods tab. Click on it to view your current payment options and to add a new method. Step 4. Add bank account information. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account and enter the required details such as your bank account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details and click on the Save or Confirm button to finalize the linking process. You may receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. Now you can manage your payments through a linked bank account in Dropbox. If you encounter any issues, refer to Dropbox's Help Center for assistance.